Bring it over.
So there's Ruger Blackhawk in 4 5/8 barrel, 357 Magnum convertible, but it's got the 357 cylinder in there. And we're going to go ahead and compare these full 157 grains of mat bullets with 8 grains of Longshot powder. We're going to compare that 172 grain Keith bullets loaded with 12 grains of 2400. So first the Longshot with the 157 wadcutter. Now let's shoot a group.
I'm not shooting the one that's on fire. I'm not shooting that one because I have FMJs and hollow. I don't know if you can shoot them or not.
I don't think so. Well, I don't.
Yeah, but
The can. But you have them in that one already?
yeah, that's the one that they already had.
Alright, don't hide it in your pocket so you don't touch the beans.
Shoot the knife. Put the knife up. Go ahead, shoot that one. Go on first. Yeah, we tried those already.
Do we have to put the other one away?
You should let Steve take the thing.
So shooters and reloaders out there, just as we thought. The first 2 shots with that 157 grain wadcutter bullet shot pretty accurately. Those are my fouling shots. Then I shot the first group, and the first 4 went into that, and the 5th one went down here. So a little offhand work, so gotta do a little bit of that.
So I didn't know what it was going to do, right? True. Easier than sanding it down again.
¿Tienes el mío? ¿Cuánto el mío?
¿Qué buscas? Bruh, press 50.
Why, you trying to press 5?
1 and 5. Because
Oh, nah, there's a 15 there.
So we have to try the offhand shooting at 12.5 yards with that 8 grains of Longshot and that 157 grain wadcutter load, and that was my first shot. And after that, kind of got the feel for the way that thing shoots, so we hit the circle with every shot after that. So we feel pretty good about that, but it's still too big a spread. 1,200 feet per second with that bullet. Not bad, it actually shot better as we went along.
yeah, no, but he asked him if he was firing. He found him or some shit. And he gave him some. And he was like, they might if I ever have one. I was like,
So that Keith load, the hot 38s, we know what that'll do. So I shot this group offhand. The first shot hit there. The second shot was really badly healed up here. So I had to concentrate to put the other 3 with this group right here. And if I had shot a 5-shot group in there, that would have been nice even for a rested group. So we know what that load will do. It's a good load. So went ahead and shot offhand with that, and so you see the good clustering there, but somehow when we make mistakes we tend to make them the same way. That's just a drop shot there. So it's a good load, and I would say that it shoots about as good as the Longshot load, 8 grains of Longshot. But one thing that we noticed is that the wad cutters cut real clean holes and the semi wadcutter Keith bullets don't cut quite as sharp a hole. Still sharp, but not quite as sharp. We like both these loads. They're both going to be useful.